Hello, this is Mason. McGee. Okay, I'm going to teach you how to make a... what is it called? A diner. Okay, so first, let me tell you what parts we have. You have the roof, which is green, unless if you buy a different one. You have the back. You have two sides. You have the door with the window, which you have two of them. I'm not going to really take you through that. You have, this is for the front, this one and this one go with it. You got your platform. This piece right here is a walkway. Right here, where my hand is the floor for the diner. Here's another piece of the walkway. You got 4 lampposts. You got 2 big windows, 4 medium size, and then you got 3 small, 2 extra small, and 4 doors. Okay, so let's get on to the video. Take the platform. Okay, take this. We do take one door, stick it in there. You see how it snaps on. Take another door, do the same thing, snapped on. Okay, now we go for the 2 of these. Here's the other one. Okay, here's what we have so far. We have 2 more holes. So then we take it, we'll put that, that. Okay, so this is the back, and then I have it facing like that. Here is the full back. So far. Okay, time for the sides. Okay, so this is the easy parts. Just take them and, oh, that's upside down. Okay, so there's one. Take this. Yep. There's little slots. So make sure you put that in there. Okay, then you get down to here. You push it in. Okay, time for that side. Just do the same thing. Oh, and then you slide that in. Okay, time for the front. Got a door piece. Door window piece. You could take a window. Oh, it's upside down. Nope, that was not upside down. Okay, then you take that and put it in. You take the door. You snap that in. Okay, so then there's a slot on this. You push that down and it will connect. Okay, so then let's take the other piece, snap that in, take the last door, Okay. This one has a slot too. Okay, so you guys are wondering, that's not it. Because you gotta do right here. Try this, and this. You guys should be able to see that. Okay, so we will take this last big window, like medium, snap that in. Ooh.
That's not your room, sugar.
Okay, we got 2 medium windows left. Okay, we take this and we snap that in. Make sure it's built correctly. You put that in. And this is not a glue. You can obviously see that. Okay. That might be a little crooked because of that. If it's crooked, bend it a little, and then it should go back into shape. Got our last one. That's upside down. Okay. And if this one's bendy too, then you do the same thing. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. So if that happens, you just do the same thing. You pop it right out. Snap that back in. Put it back in. Okay, so here is, okay, so we should push these in. Okay, here is the walls. Okay, so here is the roof again. So now we take it carefully, put it on, make sure it snaps on. Doesn't, then you gotta, oh, look at that. That snapped off. So let's put that back. Okay, so that's back. Okay, so take it, snap it on. Ooh, yeah. Okay, so that side's on. That side's on. Okay, here's what we have so far. So, really quickly, we have this and these 4 lamps. We take one of them, be very gentle, and pop it into these holes. I don't know if you can see it. There's a hole right there. And you pop the next one right there. Okay, so this is done. And then take this and pop that in. And then you pop that one in. Okay, once you're done, this is what you will have. Either you could do it like that, or you can do it like this. Or you could do it like this. Just how you're facing. But there. This is how you do the diner. And this is H2 size for electric trains. And yeah, thank you for watching and have a good day. Bye.